Okay, you guys, I was lost, but now I'm found. Okay, so we're on the elevator. Got my comfy shoes on. Here we are. Hello! You just like popped right out on time. Hello.
How are you?
I haven't seen you in forever.
It's been a long time.
I haven't even been to this location.
Take a little nap, whatever you're comfortable with.
Very comfortable with naps.
Have you ever had dermaplaning?
I don't think so.
So dermaplaning, it takes the dead skin off, but it also takes all the little vellus hairs off.
Oh, I need that.
Do you want it?
Yeah, because
Really?
these hairs are, I'm over it. I really would like a
You'll
nice,
love it.
Yeah.
And we have vellus follicles, not barber's follicles, so the hair doesn't grow back thicker.
Oh, good, 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 good.
I can dermaplane and microderm on top.
Okay. Whatever you feel is best.
Dermaplane is my favorite
Really?
because I can see the dead skin come off.
Oh my god.
The microderm sucks it away so I don't get to see it.
Pull the key out the ignition. Run your mouth but I never listen. You hold me back, will never last. Keep talking all your shit. Wondering how all this started. You left me broken hearted. You flip my words, yeah this love hurts. Keep talking all your shit. Oh, keep talking.
So dermaplaning's done with a blade,
Okay.
so no quick movements.
Oh, don't worry. I'll be still. Is it gonna hurt?
No,
Oh,
not at all.
okay.
You know that I don't fuck with all your little games. The way you make me feel, I'm in so much pain. I'm drowning in liquor, never been sicker. I'm not sober with you no more.
This is a brightening enzyme.
Okay.
Enzymes are like little Pac-Man. They eat off the dead skin, and then they deliver goodness.
They eat off the dead skin.
Mm-hmm. Like little Pac-Man. And then they deliver goodness into the skin.
Oh, I'm down with that.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Oh, this is a nice thing.
You're going to be able to feel this one. It's going to sting a little.
Oh yeah, I feel it.
Yeah.
Run your mouth but I never listen. You hold me back, will never last. Keep talking all your shit. Wondering how all this started. You left me broken hearted. You flip my words, yeah this love hurts. Keep talking all your shit. Oh, keep talking all your shit, baby. Your words, they're driving me crazy. Keep talking all your shit, baby. You know that I don't fuck with all your little games. The way you make me feel, I'm in so much pain. I'm drowning in liquor, never been sicker. I'm not sober with you no more. With you no more.
Start right here.
Keep talking all your shit, baby. Your words, they're driving me crazy. Keep talking all your shit, baby. You know that I don't fuck with all your little games. The way you make me feel, I'm in so much pain. I'm drowning in liquor, never been sicker. I'm not
Microderm kisses.
This feels so good to me. I don't know why. I can feel the little things, but I'm like, yeah, it feels good.
Yeah.
shit. You say you got it all, but then you start to fall down. You say no fair, I never cared. Keep talking all your shit. Oh, keep talking all your shit, baby. Your words, they're driving me crazy. Keep talking all your shit, baby.
guys, I am done with my facial. There's Nancy. I'm done. And y'all, my skin feels so smooth, so soft. So I'm gonna tell you guys exactly what did I get.
You got the Nancy special.
I got the Nancy
with a little bit of added because you needed a little touch up here.
Okay, yeah, I needed a touch up of some stuff up here because of my oil glands, dark spots. So I got a chemical peel, a little peel just on the spots, but
dermaplaning, microdermabrasion, if I was some magic in between.
Okay, because I was like, if I was to say that, it would come out right. But yeah, if you guys would like to check out Nancy, I will have all her information in the description bar. But I've been coming to her for actually it's been years now. Yeah, we've been together for years. So
4 years.
Yeah, 3-4 years. So if you guys are interested in getting a facial or a chemical peel or anything, Atlanta based Nancy, she's amazing, and her space is so cute and so intimate, and I love it. So I'll put it in the description bar. Hello guys, I actually just posted a video and I was like, you know what, let's continue vlogging, because today I posted a video of my vlog and all of you guys was like, I like vlog style. So vlog style it is. I might do weekly vlogs if I can remember to film and pick up the camera. But I get my iPhone today. I get my new iPhone. Hey, let me tell you why I'm so excited. Let me show you why I'm so excited. Even though your girl got the 10, I've cracked it. Can y'all even see the cracks? There we go. Crack that thing. You see that? So I'm over it. Waiting on my camera to get here. Waiting on a check to get here, y'all, because I ain't been doing much work, so I ain't been having no extra money come in. But that's the thing about being an influencer. Sometimes you get paid a lot all at one time, and then you might not get paid for 2-3 months. That's just the life that you live. But anyway, especially with all these net 30s, child. But we got a lot of that content coming very soon about being a YouTuber and the business side of things. But yeah, I'm waiting on that. And I get paid from YouTube tomorrow because tomorrow is the 21st. It's the 20th. So I got a check coming today. Sponsored check coming today. And then tomorrow I got another check. But today I also got my iPhone, girl. As soon as we get that, we're going to play on it. Because I am excited to see. Wait till the phone comes because it's supposed to be here by 3. It's 12. What I'm doing now. And this is how I respond to all you guys. So I'm just on here right now looking at all you guys comments, about to respond to you guys and all that good stuff, and hopefully I can get my nail done today. Let me show you guys my nail. This is what my nail looks like, and the only reason I haven't gotten my nails done is because it's like bleeding right here where I broke it at. So I was trying to make sure it healed, because you have to soak this. This is SNS, but these are my real nails, you guys. But this one's broke. But this is SNS. You have to soak it in acetone and that shit burns. So I'm trying to wait, but I'm gonna just have to let her know she just gotta file that down until she can't file it no more. And I'm not dipping this in no acetone. So hopefully after I'm done responding to all these comments and I get my phone and all that, then I'm gonna go and get my nails done, because I need it. Welcome to my vlog. Okay, I just got a package, and it is my main choice package. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I posted when they had their 60 or 70% off. Anyway, it was a ridiculous amount of percentage off, and like I think I bought $100 and something worth of stuff, and I got everything for $45. So it finally came, and let's see what Kimberly got today. Let's see what we have here. Looks like we got some more lotion. Oh my god, y'all, I love this lotion so much. So I think I got 2 of these bad boys, and this is the Ancient Egyptian lotion. Got me another Crystal Orchid gel because I wanted to bring this bad boy back because I love this stuff as well. You guys know I love this, so I wanted to bring it back, so I just got another one of these. I mean, honestly, in an order with 60-70% off, you just gotta get everything you like. I think I got about 3 of these. Y'all know I love me some pearly braid out glaze, so I felt like it was time to re-up on that. I got me another one of, y'all know I love the main choice, so this is perfect. The 24 karat gold glistening gel. All of my favorites. I love those. Let's see. Yep. Got me another Tropical Moringa and another Tropical Moringa. Sky, you like the Tropical Moringa? You like the Tropical Moringa, baby? Do you? Do you? Oh, Yes, I needed another one of these 3-in-1 leave-ins because I've been trying not to use the other one just so I wouldn't use it up. But this bad boy is banging, so now I can use the other one. I got another lotion. Why not? I forgot a deep conditioner. This deep conditioner. But I had to get me some more of these caps, y'all. I love these big old caps. Whew. Their caps are the best. They are like pretty big and I love them. See, it's the jumbo size and it could fit up to extra large hair. So yeah, thought those was great. So all of this came up to be like $45. $45 for all this product. Oh, I'm in love. Y'all gotta follow me on Instagram so you get these deals. You want these deals. My phone is here. I gotta get my razor. I just got a few packages actually. Yo, I just realized it's a black box with gold writing. Oh, that's clutch. Oh, that's clutch. I see what y'all did there. Oh my goodness. Oh my, oh. I didn't mean for everything to come falling all out the box. But as you can see, manual type stuff. But look at that beautiful phone. The phone is super nice. The phone is super nice. I'm gonna take that off in a minute. Also come with your headphones. Boom. The ones that I don't really use no more, but it's nice to have a fresh pair because I got earbuds. And then it comes with a fast charger, which I'm super excited about because the faster, the better. But yeah, once I get it all set up, y'all, we're gonna take some photos. Let me see what it's working with. Don't ask me about my hair, okay? It's just doing its thing. But this is the new phone. I already got a case on it. And I haven't really done anything, but the camera is banging on this thing. Like the camera is banging and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna show y'all more about my phone later, but I got some leftover juicy crab I'm about to tear up. I got a few more corns in there, a little potato, and a half of a lobster tail. It's getting ate right now. I literally just got done filming. I did a wash and go, but I did like a really quick one. And I got some frizz up here. It's just because I was trying to blow dry it. But I'm going for a big froed look, so it's cool. I actually had to go get my nails done. So that's why I had to dry like the bottom of my hair. Because I'm like, I'm not about to be dripping. It looks good though. See? It look good. So yeah, I'm actually going to Curl Fest today. You'll know, well you probably don't know, but if you follow me on Instagram, you know I was not gonna go because they ghosted the shit out of me. But I'm going to go just so I can get that eco gel that they just said that they're releasing in Atlanta. Ooh, got hair everywhere, girl. And also, they sent me tickets the day after I rented on Instagram. They sent me like 2 VIP tickets, so clearly I'm not paying. Jalen, I think she's talking today. So I just wanted to go and support her. Yeah, now I gotta go ahead and put Sky up and then head on the road to go get my nails done because this broke nail is not it. Hi you guys. So I just wanted to pop in because all of the footage that you just watched is like completely old. I did just want to show it to you guys on this random day and kind of get that out to you guys. But other than that, it's just old footage, but I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to see more vlogs, please let me know and I will try my best to make sure they're current and hopefully get some out to you guys. But if you like vlogs, give this video a thumbs up and comment below and let me know how much you like them, and hopefully I see everything and I take it all in and we can get these vlogs popping. But I hope you guys like it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Mwah.